Hey, if CapCut isn't running properly because of a driver compatibility issue, yeah, that can be super frustrating. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it so your PC and CapCut work together without problems. First, make sure your CapCut app is updated to the latest version. Many driver compatibility issues are fixed in newer updates. Next, update your GPU drivers and go to your GPU manufacturer's site, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, FUS, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. After installing the driver, restart your computer and open CapCut again. Sometimes the newest driver may not be fully compatible with CapCut. If updating didn't help, try using a slightly older, stable driver version recommended by the GPU manufacturer. Once your driver is updated, make sure GPU acceleration is enabled in CapCut. Go to Settings, Arrow Preferences, Arrow GPU Acceleration, and turn it on. Driver issues can also come from outdated system files. Make sure Windows is fully updated. Go to Settings Arrow Update and Security Arrow Windows Update and install any pending updates. So yeah, updating CapCut, updating or rolling back GPU drivers, enabling GPU acceleration, and keeping Windows updated usually fixes driver compatibility issues. After that, your editing should be smooth and stable.